Welcome to Redline Review. Luxury RV accommodations are available with the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, which is powered by an SUV. The exterior is defined by an aerodynamic silhouette and creative styling. Matrix LED headlights, a large satin chrome Chevrolet grille, and C-shaped daytime running lights. Carbon fiber and aluminum body panels are strong and lightweight. The interior is illuminated by a panoramic sunroof. Covered outdoor seating is provided by a side awning that runs on electricity. All-terrain tires on 22-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. Digital exterior level indicators for gray and clean water tanks. A motion-activated sliding door that opens automatically for easy access. Interior and design discover a living space reminiscent of a mobile apartment, complete with a 17-inch UltraView entertainment panel, luxurious Napa leather upholstery in the front cabin and lounge, and captain seats with 10-point massage, heating, and cooling. The lounge features swivel seats facing the cabin, a folding eating table, and an L-shaped sofa. Bose 3D surround sound on a 55-inch OLED smart television. A large refrigerator, 190 liters, with a separate freezer, a built-in microwave oven, solid surface worktops, motorized and soft-close cabinets, an illuminated backsplash, and a fully equipped galley with a 3-burner induction stove are all features of the contemporary kitchen. High-density memory foam mattress for a queen-size bed. The wardrobe has sensor lighting, electric skylight above the bed for stargazing, a spacious bathroom shower cubicle featuring a rain shower and electronic temperature control, ceramic flush toilet with waste tank, lovely vanity with anti-fog mirror. Technology and intelligent features, Chevrolet Connect, smart home system, entertainment, water heating, climate control, and lighting by voice or app. Comfort is improved by the 1,200-watt off-grid solar array, automated zonal heating and cooling, and 5G satellite internet, which allows for remote work and streaming. Sensor-equipped 360-degree video and automatic parking. The silent hybrid generator can operate off the grid for 72 hours. Powertrain and performance? Plug-in hybrid with an 80-kilometer electric range. Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine for long-distance driving and hauling. 10-speed automatic for smooth cruising. Adaptable air suspension is more comfortable on tough terrain. AWD provides steady traction. Selecting colors for the outside Arctic white pearl metallic graphite with a deep ocean blue hue bronze satin. His intended audience. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is an option for families who want to travel without sacrificing comforts at home. Digital nomads want a mobile workspace that is fully connected. Luxury adventurers from abroad. Modern automotive design, smart house amenities, and state-of-the-art engineering characterize the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a luxury leisure vehicle. Every route is designed to make for an amazing trip.